How to change shipping address on Stockx. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your shipping address on Stockx. Now just follow me to the end. Now the first thing to do is to ensure that you have a Stockx account created already. Now once you have the Stockx account created, go ahead and log in. Then once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your Stockx page where you'll see the logo, you'll see categories that you can use to filter your chat, your search, and then in this you'll see a search bar where you can input the product you're looking for. And the next for is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, the profile page would load and then you'll be redirected to your profile page where you can edit your personal information, your shipping, personal information such as name, email address, shoe size, username, and then you can see shipping info. Okay. Now currently I have not set up any shipping information, but for you, you will see your shipping information. And for you to edit this, just click on edit. And it's for you to change your shipping address. Just click on edit. Once you click on edit, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to edit or change your shipping address. All right, just wait for it to load. Now we can see for you, since you have set it up already, you'll see your name, so you can just edit it if it's your name you want to change, or the address itself, so you can just come to the address option, change the address, change the city if you want to, the region, the postal code, the phone number, and then once you're done, click on save shipping. Once you click on save shipping, you will be asked that if you're sure that you want to change your shipping info. Click yes, and then automatically the shipping address would be changed. And once you're done, the next thing for you to do is to move to the top left corner and click on the arrow that takes you back to your profile, and then you can continue with what you're doing on the site. So this is basically how you can change shipping address on Stockx. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.